I've been testing a lot of AI face swap tools lately, but the one I'm going to show you today is actually looks real. It's called Higgsfield AI, and the results honestly looks like they came straight out of camera. No configurations, no training runs, just upload your picture, swap your face, and it's done. Let's move forward and see how actually it works. If you want to try it out yourself, just go to higgsfield.ai and in the image section, you will find the new feature Face Swap. Or if you directly want to go to the Higgsfield Face Swap page, just go ahead and click on the link mentioned in video description. Before trying it out, get some free credit, I would recommend you sign up with your email totally free. And here we have the Face Swap dashboard. Clean, minimal, and focus. It walks you through everything visually, showing exactly how to upload your source face, choose your target image, and generate the swap in one click. What really stands out here is how Higgsfield keeps the look consistent across every style, whether it's a realistic photo, a styled artwork, or even animation. It perfectly preserves the original face and lighting. That consistency is what makes the result feel real and cinematic, not patched together. Alright, now let's try it out. I will start by uploading the source face. Next, I will upload the target image. This is the photo where I want the face to appear. Once both images are added, all it takes is one click on generate, and the Higgsfield Face Swap handles everything automatically. This process only takes a few seconds and you don't need to adjust anything manually. It's all handled by Higgsfield Face Swap AI. Now let's go ahead and try another quick example to see how well it handles different faces and lighting. I will upload a new source photo and a different target image at this time. Same process, just add both images and hit face swap. What I really want is to see here how well it keeps the identity and details consistent, especially when we have completely different characters. And the result looks perfect again. The face swap is clean, detailed, and completely natural. Even the lighting and color tones stay consistent. Around the hairline, eyes, and shadows, everything blends beautifully, with no harsh edges or mismatched tones. When I compare the source, target, and the final result side by side, it's clear the Higgsfield Face Swap AI preserves identity and texture. This is easily one of the most realistic face swap results I have seen from a single image. Now let's move on to more options section. Here you can find additional tools to refine your results starting with upscale. The upscale option enhances the image quality and makes it sharper, especially useful if your result image looks a bit soft or low resolution. Just select the upscale level you prefer and it will automatically process and improve the details while keeping the face swap intact. Once the upscale completes, you can compare both images side by side to see how much clearer the enhanced version looks. The next amazing option we have here is Animate. Here is our image that we want to animate. Here I want to say that walk like a model. Now go ahead and pick the model you want. I want to pick up Sora True. And here you can define the duration and aspect ratio. Let's go ahead and generate the animation. I got an amazing results. Let's go ahead and watch it. If you are not happy with the results, you could just go ahead and rerun it. Now let's try one more. I have uploaded the image here. Prompt is smile creeps. Now let's select the Google VO model. I want to select Google VO 3.1 fast. In the quality, I want to select 180p and the ratio is fine, that is 16:9. And let's go ahead and generate the next one. Now let's check it out. If you are happy with the results, just go ahead and download it. Now here the next option we have is edit. Let's say we forget the glasses for this man. Just select the eyes and type here, put the glasses on the eyes and generate it. This could take few moments as it will generate the four results for you. You could just go ahead and try it on your own. So here I got the results. Let's see. Perfect. I got four different results for the man with this simple prompt and he has glasses on his eyes. Amazing. And here we have the next option that called history, where we have history of all our works, projects and the image generated. And finally, I want to show you that if you are happy with this image, you could just go ahead and download it. The next option is add it to folder or the favorites. You could just go ahead and create separate folder for your each project so that you can place your images and videos periodically. And the final option we have here is delete, where we could delete our image quickly. So that's it. Higgsfield nails the swap, upscale, and animation workflow all in seconds. Please note that links are in the video description and don't forget like and subscribe ITPK and I will see you in the next one.